Hey guys, Spencer here, and this is going to be a review of our new Camp Chef Explorer. And guys, this is just a classic grill. We've had a few of these, and every single time we're just so extremely happy with kind of the simplicity and how well they're built. So we'll go over this real quick and explain, kind of answer a few questions as far as what you can use this for, and just kind of show you how it all works. So the first thing is, it is 2 burners, and each of those burners has this steel grill part on it, or whatever material this is, and this is really well built. And so a lot of the questions I saw, people were going to do canning, put Dutch ovens, things like that. A lot of people have put on 40 to 50 pounds and had no issue, so it's extremely well built. You should be fine. You have to put on giant canning, those big huge pots you use for canning, or Dutch ovens. We've done both and had no issue, no issues, no bending, nothing like that. So the whole thing's really, really durable. It can hold pretty much whatever you want to put on it, except unless you want to maybe sit on it or something like that, which I can't imagine you would want to. As far as setup, really easy to set up. All you do is take this piece out, and then it's got 4 legs that you can just unscrew like that. Take off each of those 4 legs right there, and you've got your Camp Chef taken down. The only other piece besides the legs and the core stove is this one right here, which just clips on in 4 different places. That's just a wind stopper right there. Again, that's really well built as well. Everything here feels premium, has a good firm feel to it, and definitely will last for a long time. You can see inside the burners, no rust, never had any rust happen in any of these as well, so very happy with that. It's got burners on the inside and the outside. So let's light it up and kind of show you what it's got. So nice and easy to light. They've got a hole right here, so you just stick a lighter in there, and you can turn on the gas and light up each of the burners individually. You can see lots and lots of flame, and I'm burning my hand. My hand's way up here, and I'm feeling that heat pretty good way up there. It can definitely boil water. It usually takes us, for just a normal sized pot, maybe 5 to 7 minutes to get a pot of water boiling for whatever you're doing there. They also have accessories where you can put on, a pancake grill or something like that goes on half, or you can put it on full if you'd like as well. But overall, just a good high quality grill that we'll keep buying because they're good, they're simple to use, and easy to pack up and set up again.